Good day, everyone. My name is Kendrick Jane Paul Gibanson, and for today's video, I'm going to speak about corruption. Corruption is a slow killer eating at the every heart of our nation. Trust is lost, institution weak, and chances unaccounted for the most obvious things. Stripped from people who are most in need, from the smallest bribes to the largest scams. Corruption is what makes the process of our land. If we talk about corruption, students and young citizens must be in the know and embrace uprightness the most. It's not the only task of the government to eliminate corruption, but it is also our duty to keep our eyes in our pockets and our legs closed. If every time we let a dishonest and act pass or choose to ignore the cheating or prefer silence of the truth, we became the problem in effect. Yes, time to be past of the solutions. To combat the corruptions, our first step should be making honest, transparency, and accountability the foremost things of our lives. So let us choose a good leader who are dedicated to serving and who at the same time are overly careful, and let us be bold enough to expose what is wrong. In conclusion, it would not be surprising that corruption will not be stopped in a few days. However, the little and simple act of honest may have a meaningful impact. We are the citizens, and that is our responsibility to be the ones who see and do what is right and fair, whether there is no one around to watch the effect or not. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.